kind of struggling na the past few days, past few games. Yung sa ngayon nga mas naano pa na-emphasize pa dahil na-check ako. Na ano lang kasi dahil yung calls ng referees, 4 yung pinapa-confirm namin sa referees or sa technical committee. 4 na mali eh. Hindi makatarungan eh sa isang close game. Tapos 4 na bad calls all going against us. We felt apektado na yung momentum mo, no? Apektado na yung moral mo. So, well, I had to siguro express my disgust dun sa situation na yun. Madalas ko naman sabihin talaga na we should be able siguro engage yung officials, no, to their jobs better. It comes to a point where the results of the games are affected. Sa isang malapit ang laro, kung magkakaroon ka ng 4 na bad goals against you, ang laking bagay na nun. That will cost you 6 to 8 points in a close game. Plus, it will cause your momentum. It will cause your moral to go down. Importanteng laro pa naman yun sa amin. Sana namin makabawi. Pero ganun pa man, wala kang magagawa, tatanggapin mo na lang yung resulta. And we'll try to do better next time. 5-3 yung record namin. So sabi ko nga, hinahabol namin, 7 laro lang kami. 7 panalo para siguradong pasok ka at makaiwas ka pa dun sa 7 and 8. So, focus muna kami dun sa objective na yun. Siguro yung mga namin ngayon, yun muna ang pag-iisipan namin. May game kami ng Thursday, so we have 1 day to prepare for the Thursday game against another tough team. Kailangan makabalik na kami sa panalo sa Thursday. Crucial sa amin yung laro na yan.
Na-mention mo na yung standing, medyo bumaba kayo from 2nd to 7th with the loss. So, how confident are you that you can still able to turn things around?
I'm still confident naman. Meron talagang dadaan na parang roller coaster talaga yung situation. Nung una na nanalo kami, I've been seeing good signs, no? Pero nung natatalo ka naman, you'll see bad signs, no? So, ano mo lang dito is how to balance it, trying to look for a balance in how to get our momentum back, get our winning momentum back, our rhythm back. Test pa rin naman ito. It's still a character test for us. It's still sa tingin ko it's still very manageable. So as long as we can arrest our losing streak early, I think okay pa rin naman yung sitwasyon.
How do you see the race? Kasi ang daming 6-3, may 5-3,
Yun
may
nga
4-2.
Kaya nga ang sinasabi ko, kung mo muna isipin yung placings mo. Ang isipin mo lang yung magic number para safe ka. So yun, dun lang kami nagpo-focus. Ayaw ko tignan yung mga iba kasi dikit-dikit lang. Dikit-dikit lang eh. So, first things first, get yourselves into the playoffs first. And then see where you are at that point kung ano yung best finish mo after that.